Hey guys, what's up? It's Naomi. Welcome back to my channel. Please don't mind the background. That's Net's printer back there, but we make do with what we're given, and this is what I'm working with right now. So today's video is going to be another installment of our little, it's like the makeup clown blush palette, and today we're going to be using Carnival, which is the yellow. I have my yellow shirt on. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I'm gonna do, then keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna start with the eyes first today, which is something that I rarely do, but I want to do something kind of wild, and if I mess up, I'd like to be able to just like wipe it off. So I'm going to be using a very light colored concealer to prime my eyes. I am trying to use this concealer up, which is why I'm using it, but you don't even know the name of it, so we're just going to go in and lay this bad boy down. It is so gloomy outside. I have a couple lights on extra in here trying to brighten it up some. Two of them look like they're about to die. One of them is trying its best, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with my sponge, and then I'm just gonna set that down with my Blur and Set powder from Milk Makeup, which is my favorite powder of all time. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a very light colored shadow today. It is gonna be this kind of, this one. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into that pastel yellow shade and start sweeping that all in the crease of my eye. And kind of just everywhere. I wish the lighting were better for me here personally so I could see, but beggars can't be choosers. Am I right, guys? Am I right? I have a plan, but I also kind of don't have a plan, so don't at me. Now I'm going to go in with this slightly fluffier brush and pick up the shade Carnival, which is this yellow right there. And I'm gonna also start, whoa, the bacon. Can you guys see how much product came up? I don't know if you can, but focus. Wow, that's so much product. All right, here we go. Just gonna start, woo! Ooh, that's a blush, guys. These are blushes, and these are so pigmented. Like, they're beautiful. I'm gonna start winging it out too a little bit while I'm thinking about it. And that's that so far. I'm gonna be taking the shade Edge out of the Subculture palette, this one right here. We're gonna try to save it. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip into Edge. I'm going to dip in the Edge, and then I'm just gonna start packing that yellow gold shade right up into the crease. I want it to be very intense. I really love this Subculture palette. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I do. And I'm gonna go back in with this one, the one that had Carnival, and just start to blend that out a little more, pick up a little more product. And I'm just gonna pick up the brush and some more of that pastel yellow and just over the edges again. This is gonna be one of those processes where you just have to keep kind of going in and building up until you're happy with how something looks, and it can be incredibly time consuming. But we're just gonna keep repeating those same 3 steps until we are happy with the shape and the way that it looks. I'm gonna go build up the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm really liking the way that this is starting to look, and I think I'm happy enough with it that I can go ahead and cut my crease. Now, I haven't done this in a very long time, so please do not judge me. You can put a bunch of product on your lid, like so, and then look up, and you will see where your crease is supposed to be. And so then you just quantify. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease on the other eye off camera, and we'll be right back. So once you got your creases cut, which mine are, I'm gonna go ahead and set them down with a pure white shadow, just because I want the lid to be like super bright. Here's the thing about me and cut creases. My left eye is completely a different shape than my right eye. And so it's really hard to get them even, but it's fine because we're gonna fix it and it's gonna be okay. Go in with this little brush right here, gonna deepen everything up and we're gonna try to fix it. So I'm gonna go back into my Subculture palette and pick up Edge. I am so sorry that I'm using so many palettes for this, but that is the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. And I'm gonna just follow along that cut crease and attempt to tidy up my mess and just really darkening it up. And now I'm gonna take an even smaller brush and the shade Carnival and begin to buff that out. So now I'm gonna pick up some of Carnival and begin to just kind of blend. Not the best, not the worst. I'm gonna go do this eye off camera. I'll be back. Okay, kids. So both creases are defined and on, and I think that's about as good as we're gonna get right now. So now for the piece de resistance of this look, I'm gonna take this little NYX Vivid Bright liquid liner. I've never used these before. I've heard mixed reviews on them, but I really wanna do like a yellow, like a wing. Wish me luck. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. I think having this really nice white shadow base is helping quite a bit. The applicator is very fine and very thin. And now I'm just gonna try to follow and just meet that line. Straight up. Like that. To meet that cut crease line. So we have a yellow wing on. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. We're back. Guys, I'm back. I did my eyebrows and my foundation and everything off camera, and I also contoured, put on bronzer, and now I'm gonna finish up the eyes. I'm gonna go in with a definer brush and the shade Edge from the Subculture palette right there. And we are going to simply press that up along the lower blush line. And then we're gonna take our pencil brush and we're gonna dip into the shade Carnival down here, the yellow in the blush palette. And we are gonna just start smoking her out. I'm gonna take this yellow, this is called Shockwave Neon Eyeliner from LA Girl, and this is in the shade Screamin'. This really bright yellow, and I'm gonna pop that into my waterline. Ooh, that's a good yellow. What that looks like. Super pretty. It's very pigmented. It was like $5. Go LA Girl. All right, and then I'm gonna pop on some mascara and some falsies and come back. I think I might use these Ardell Double Up Demi Wispies that I picked up at Ulta yesterday because they're really cute and flirty, and I think they would be really nice for this look. So, okay, lashes, mascara, bottom mascara, all that is on, and I was looking good. And now for the piece de resistance of this look, and that is definitely going to be the blush from the It's Likely Makeup Clown Blush Palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Carnival right here, this gorgeous yellow. And I'm actually gonna use this little brush because I don't know what's gonna happen. This is the M530 and it is a nice little round brush. Ooh. Child, she's pigmented. Okay, here we go. I've literally never used a yellow blush before. Woo! That's surprisingly really, really pretty. I don't know what I was expecting. Not that. My battery light is blinking at me as per usual. I've literally never used a yellow blush before and I really love the way this looks. I'm actually gonna sweep some over the bridge of my nose. Really soft and cute. And then I'm gonna take a little diffused brush and I'm actually gonna just pop that on the tip of my nose. Just under here. I really think the whole like blush under the nose thing is super cute and I think it works for this look. And now I guess the only thing that is left is highlight and lips. And honestly for highlight, I think I'm gonna use the shade Beaming from the Melt Blueprint stack. I've been really enjoying this as a highlight actually. We're gonna just highlight the tops of our cheekbones with that. Isn't that beautiful? And I feel like it's really complimentary. It's like this very soft yellow gold. It's very pretty for this look. Tin Man my nose. I'm gonna use that to highlight the inner corners as well. I don't care if it's an avant-garde look, we still gotta highlight the inner corners, baby. I think I want to mix two lipsticks. I've been looking at them. This is the Almay Lip Vibes in Never Regret. And then this is the Wet n Wild Bare It All lipstick. I'm going to do this one first. That one. And then I'm going to take the Never Regret over the top. No. While we're right here, how about we do this number and just like yellow it up a little. Yellow is one of my favorite colors, so this is a lot of fun for me to film. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with some all-nighter and then we are gonna be good to go. All right, you guys, that is it. That is the finished look for me today. This was so much fun. I hope you really enjoyed hanging out with me and seeing how I did this eye look. And I hope that if this palette interests you, that you will go out and buy it and support Jordy. She is so amazing and I am so happy to get to play with this. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, I should have 2 more coming on the additional 2 colors in the palette, so stay tuned for that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out of this video because like I said, more content's coming your way, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!